The first robot I probably spent about 10 to 15 hours on, I'd say. And a lot of that time was trying to get it in weight, because in robot stuff we have weight classes, and my first robot had terrible design. I was just trying to do everything. It was trying to have a top grabber and 2 side grabbers and a good drive system. So it had no weight for armour or a body even. So I was just drilling holes out of it, which was hilarious. But luckily I managed to get it just about in weight in time to fight. But I also, even though I was studying electronics, I completely ignored the voltage ratings on the surveys. So my first robot actually went up in smoke in its first fight. It burnt out the motors. You could actually see grey smoke coming off it, and we had to chuck it out the window quickly to get the smoke out. So it wasn't the best, most exciting entry to robotics, but it put on a show, because it was so heavy with weaponry that it would drive around doing wheelies. So yeah, it was great. It was a really fun entry point. Not exactly a successful robot. I think it lost both its fights, but you know, it was a good. It made me want to do it more for sure. Yeah.
Do you still have the remnants of it at all?
I don't. I most of it got any of the bits that weren't burnt out got reused in the second version. So that one actually became refined and then became this one. This is sort of version 3 of it. But this is my crab robot called Crabsolutely Clawful. And it was basically, I took off one of the weapons and refined it a bit. And it sort of started looking like a crab, so I had googly eyes, printed it out in red. And it's become a bit of a trademark of my robots now. So after building this, I built the bigger one, and then I built the bigger one. It's become part of who I am. So on the robot scene, I'm the crab guy. And it was just completely by accident. It was just this robot started looking like a crab when I wanted to do this sort of grabbing motion. But it was great, because everyone doesn't fear me when I go into the arena. I put in this silly crab thing, and they don't expect anything from it. And so yeah, the defences are down, and then sometimes I actually win fights. Sometimes, you know.
That's brilliant.
So yeah.